So if you have a pool like I do and you've been using this type of extension for a long time, this is a great alternative. I love that I can go ahead and get this out to the section I need to. So there's 4 tabs here. It is 16 feet. It's all aluminum. So we've got 2 foam little grips right here. I mean, this is super beefy too. I like this. And on the tip here, so it's got 2 purposes. One, we do have some threads here. These are 3/4 inch threads. So you could use this for anything from putting a squeegee on here, a pruning saw, things like that. So that's one alternative you could use. Or if you're going to use it pretty much like I'm going to do, and that is to go ahead and take care of your pool. Like I've got a brush right here, and then I also have my net. So it comes with a 1 1/4 inch adapter here. Just going to screw on there just like that. You can go ahead and use these little wing nuts here to go ahead and tighten it down. And then it's going to go ahead and just fit right on in there. Just like that. So let me go ahead and extend it out and I'll show you how that works too. So to go ahead and extend these out, I'm just going to pop open these tabs. For this demo, I'm going to go ahead and pop them all open. You may not need to do all of them. Do that one. I mean, look at this. 16 feet. And since it's aluminum, I mean, it is light. So I'm raising that and lowering that without any problem whatsoever. It's not heavy to lift. And then you can go ahead and easily store it. Because with my old one that I have here, I mean, it's always out 8 feet. You can see the difference now. I've got a box in my backyard that I store just kind of all my pool stuff. I can't put that in here. I've got to go and just kind of put this in a corner to go ahead and install it and just lay it there and store it. But with this, I can put this anywhere. So I love that it's got dual usage. We do have this adapter. It's aluminum and it's very comfortable and easy to use and light. Hope you found this helpful.